Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this season of life, we have been trying to have more sit down meals and spend time as a family. This was one such spring day. The menu included kothu parotta, a Kerala style chicken biryani, some grilled chicken, and a dessert. The prep started the day before, since the dessert I decided was ice cream. For the ice cream, I'm crushing 11 Oreos to a very fine powder. You can either remove the cream or let it be if you have a really good sweet tooth. Crush it to a very fine powder. Here I have taken 11 Oreos. To a bowl, add 2 cups of heavy cream. Using a handheld mixer, whip it till it reaches stiff peaks. This will take around 2 minutes. Once it reaches the stiff peak consistency, add in 300 ml of sweetened condensed milk. Because we are adding the Oreos with cream, 300 ml of sweetened condensed milk was enough for us. If you are not adding the Oreos, you can increase the quantity of the condensed milk. Just a quick whip after that. Now add in the crushed Oreos to the mixture. Slowly fold it in. Do not overmix. Transfer it to a container. Here I am using a loaf tin. I am breaking some Oreos into pieces and adding it to the top. You will need 2 to 3 Oreos for that. Now I am covering it with a cling wrap. Onto the freezer it goes. Since it was a beautiful spring day, we decided to take a walk, and the dandelions were in full bloom. It was a bright sunny evening and the walk was very calming. On the next day, I made a quick breakfast of dosas. And moved on to preparing lunch. First step was to marinate the chicken. I'm doing a very simple marination to the chicken with 2 to 3 tablespoons of chicken masala, salt, and 1/4 cup curd. Mix it well with your hands and let it rest. On to the rice preparation now. For 1 and 1/4 kilo chicken, I'm using 4 cups of jeeragashala rice. I use the measuring cup which comes with the rice cooker. Wash it thoroughly. To a pressure cooker, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter or ghee. To it, add a few cloves, a small cinnamon stick, a few cardamom pods, a few star anise, and 2 to 3 bay leaves. Give it a quick mix and add the washed and drained rice. Saute it in butter and spices for a few minutes. Add salt and mix. Add 1 and 1/4 cup of water for each cup of rice. Give it a quick mix. Close the lid and cook it on medium-high for a 1 whistle. While the rice is cooking, I decided to boil some eggs. Now I'm chopping the onions for the biryani. Thinly slice 4 to 5 large onions. Heat oil in a vessel. Add the onions in small batches. Fry till golden brown. While the onions are frying, I went and got a picture of the robin eggs in our front door. That's the mommy bird. Now back to frying the onions. Heating up some store-bought Kerala parottas for the kothu parotta. Now the onions are fried. Now on to frying the chicken. After adding the chicken to the oil, I close the lid and let it cook thoroughly while frying. While the chicken is frying, I am moving on to making the kothu parotta. To a pressure cooker, add 1 tablespoon of oil, half of a chopped onion, 2 to 3 garlic pods, and 1 inch ginger chopped. Add salt and a few curry leaves. Add 1 tablespoon of chicken masala and saute it well. In goes 250 grams of boneless chicken pieces and half cup water. Mix it, close the lid and cook for 2 whistles. By that time, my chicken was mostly done. Transferred it to a plate and added the next batch to the oil. Now the pressure is released from the cooker and the gravy for the kothu paratha is done. To a large pan, add 3 tablespoons of ghee for the biryani, adding 1 small cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 bay leaves, a few star anise, cardamom pods and cloves. Let it roast in the ghee for a few minutes, adding in half of the fried onions and saute it. Chopping in 2 tomatoes and adding into the curry. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of freshly ground ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Saute well and cook till the raw smell goes and the tomatoes turn soft. Add quarter cup water and let it cook. Some salt to taste. 2 tablespoons of chicken masala. Saute it till the spices. Add half cup curd and mix it in very low flame. Add a handful of coriander and mint leaves and cook till the oil separates. Now add the chicken. Coat the masala thoroughly on the chicken. Add half cup water and close the lid. Meanwhile, my grilled chicken is mostly done. Let's move to the kothu parotta again. To a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add in 2 eggs. Some salt. And scramble it. Onto the biryani again. The water has dried up. Layer the rice on top of chicken masala. Spread and gently press the rice with a spoon and level it. Add rest of the fried onions. Handful of coriander leaves and mint leaves. 2 tablespoons of butter. Cover the lid. Keep in the lowest for 30 minutes. You can add cashews and raisins for extra taste. Now to the kothu paratha again. We are adding 3/4 of the chicken curry to the eggs. To serve some curry. Give it a quick mix. Add the porottas cut to small pieces. Here we have taken 3 porottas. Mix everything together in medium-low flame. The porottas has to soak up the curry. Add more curry leaves and it is done. Meanwhile, our biryani is also done too. I kept it in the lowest flame for 30 minutes covered. While serving the kothu parotta, transfer it to a plate. Add rest of the gravy. Add some finely chopped onions. Some coriander leaves and curry leaves. This is a very popular South Indian street food. Finally, it was time to enjoy our meal. I did not add the recipes for grilled chicken and raita. I added initially to the video and the video was getting so long. I'll share it in another video. Now, it's time for dessert. Our ice cream is set. It was a perfect end to our meal. It turned out really good and all of us really enjoyed the meal. None of us could stop with just one scoop. Please try out the recipes and let me know your feedbacks in your comments. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.